Hi, this is Shakuntala, and I would like to thank Sundar for the online live pranayama sessions that he's been doing for the last 1 week. I was very skeptical to begin with because I have never been a sports or exercise person, and I was totally averse to pranayama or yoga or anything of that sort. But fortunately, since I had never done any online courses on this, nor had I attended any, seen any video, it was fortunate that I didn't have any preconceived notions when I attended his sessions. But the very first session changed my perception about the whole thing. I now look forward to the online sessions, and I find that my breathing has become deeper. I pay more attention to my breathing now. I am more relaxed and less anxious when it comes to day life. I don't practice much, but whatever little bit that I'm doing, it has been helping me a lot in the sense that I'm very, very calm compared to where I was a week back. So again, a very heartfelt thanks to Sundar, and God bless him. So
Hi, Sundar. This is going to be my feed forward till day 7. Wanted to thank you for the awesome party where learning is so enjoyable. It's a pleasure to learn without any pressures, although my learning has been through videos only. All the pranayam are easy to learn. With that, the other teachings I can easily relate to. There is a lot of clarity. I enjoyed the stories that are told, especially the stick and the carrots one. In fact, it cleared a lot of doubt that I had for some time, where I was questioning myself and beating up myself for not making, real progress with things that I was doing with a lot of other things. I liked what you mentioned about the kids, that we need to kind of have respect for them, trust in them. That was another point that I really liked. And I would just like to say thank you once again. Loving every bit of the party, and I'm just getting high about it. Thank you so much. Okay, bye.
There's something very magical about these classes because of which I feel like attending them every single day. So I go to sleep early just to make it in time for the pranayama classes, and they have really instilled a lot of energy and enthusiasm in me. And I also felt an instant high when I started practicing the deep breathing.
Mentor, guide, friend, straightforward and compassionate, leading us to oneness like the river to the sea. Blessed be Sundar.
Hi, this is Advaita. I have been attending pranayama class for the past 1 week, and for a nocturnal person like me to get up early in the morning and show such a lot of interest in attending the class is miraculous in itself. And one of the things I learned in the class was that breathing is a drug, it's not just for the survival. Oxygen is not just for you to stay alive, it's for your enrichment. As Adi Shankaracharya says, when your last breath arrives, grammar could be least of your worries. I repeat again, when your last breath arrives, grammar could be least of your worries. And I feel it's true as long as you have a healthy relationship with your own breath, nothing can destabilize you in life.